Good morning everyone. Today I am here to explain exercise number 7.2 in front of you, and your question number 1 is draw number line and locate the points given in the series, and they have given option number A to us 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Dear children, before starting these kind of question, before drawing number line, you should know that all the numbers are lesser than 0 or more than 0 and lesser than 1 and more than 1, right? So this is the pattern of doing these kind of questions. So first of all, we'll see that first we have to divide this 1 by 2. We will be dividing this one number by 2. So you will find that here you will be getting 0.5 as an answer. When we divide 2 by 1, then what answer will be getting? Will be getting 0.5. So this we know that 0.5 is more than 0 and less than 1. So it means the number line for 1 by 2 will be 0 to 1, and as well as we can see that 1 by 4 is there. If 1 by 2 is less than 1, so 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4 will also be less than 1. So what we have to do, we have to write 0 here and we'll write here 1. Fine. And how many numbers are there? 4 numbers, and denominator 4 is there, right? So we will be dividing this number line into 4 equal parts like this. We have to divide 4, and here first of all we'll write 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4, and this one is 4 by 4. Fine. 4 by 4 is given here, so we can circle it 4 by 4. Beta, we will divide this 4 by this, so 4 1 ja 4, 1 will be answer. Okay? So here 1 by 4 they have told us, so we have circled this. 2 by 4 is not given, but here you can see that 1 by 2 is given, and we know that 1 by 2 is half of anything, so it means that 1 by 2 lies here. And if you are just solving this fraction, then 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 by 2 is here, so this is the point 1 by 2. And next 3 by 4. So in this way we have to manage number line. First of all, we have to see that the given fraction is more than 1 or less than 1. Okay, coming to the next one point, that is option number B, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 7 by 8. In this question you can see that all the numbers are having denominator 8, and if we'll divide one number, okay, this by this 8, so we will be getting answer less than 1. It means that all lies between 0 and 1. So here I am just making one number line, and do you know by how many section I'll do in this line? 8, because denominator is 8, so I'll be doing 8 section of this line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, 8 section I have done. Here you will write 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8 and 8 by 8. 8 1 ja, so it will become 1. Fine. So they have given to us 1 by 8. Now you can just see where is 1 by 8 here. So this is the point where 1 by 8 lies. 2 by 8, this is the point. 2 by 8, this is the point for 3 by 8, and this is the point for 7 by 8. I hope that is clear to you. Coming to the next one number, that is next one series 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 5 and 4 by 5. This is quite different from this one, because here you can see that all the denominators are 5 as well in the previous question, but here one number is there that is more than denominator, right? It means here you will get answer more than 1. So this number line will be making for more than 1 also, right? But these all numbers here, denominators are larger than न्यूमिरेटर, सो दे लाइज बिटवीन 0 to 1. ये तीन नंबर आपके 0 से 1 में आएंगे, राइट. सो वी विल बी डूइंग दिस लाइक दिस. विल राइट 0 to 1 and here more than. Fine. So how many numbers I have to make? 5 numbers, right? Five segments I'll make for this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this is 1 by 5, this is 2 by 5, this is 3 by 5, this is 4 by 5 and this one is 5 by 5, right? Now we have done 2 by 5. Here we can say, we can show 2 by 5. Here we can show 3 by 5. And what is left? 4 by 5. Here we can show 4 by 5. And now they are asking for 8 by 5. So what we have to do? We will write here 6 by 5. Then 7 by 5. Then 8 by 5, right? So this is the number we can show here on the number line. Is it clear to all? Coming to the next one, option. And before going to question number 2, I am just going to tell you something about fraction. Fraction are of mixed, proper and improper. What are the qualities of these kind of fractions? Listen, if fraction is in the form of whole, okay, like 2 whole 1 by 5, if you will find anywhere these kind of fractions, so these fractions are called mixed fraction because whole is there, okay, and then these kind of fractions are there, so these are known as mixed fraction. What is the main property of proper fraction? In which numerators are smaller than denominators. So 4 upon 5, numerator is smaller than denominator. Here improper fraction, numerator is bigger than denominator, right? So these kind of fractions are called improper fraction if numerator is smaller than proper fraction. And if you are finding this kind of equation, that is mixed fraction, right? So before this I have told you, and question number 2 is there, express the following as mixed fraction. Okay, so first of all they have given to us 20 upon 3. What we have to do? We have to solve this question. 20 upon 3 will divide this 20 number by 3. Okay, I'll be doing step by step. We know that 20 is not coming in the table of 3. So what we have to do? We have to just recite the table of 3 till 20. 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21. 3 6 ja, because 21 is more than, na, we cannot take 7. So 3 6 ja 18 and here 2 is left. Okay. Here 2 is left. It means that what is coming whole? Whole क्या मिल रहा है आपको? 6. Will write 6 here. And what is remainder? Remainder will write on the top. Okay. So 2 is remainder. Will write on the top. And whatever the denominator is, you will write as such as. So you can you have seen that we can write quotient remainder upon denominator. So here 6 2 by 3 is the answer. Coming to the next question, that is 11 upon 5. First we have to divide 11 by 5. We know that 5 2 ja 10. What is remainder? 1 is remainder, right? So what is coming whole here? Q R upon D. According to this, Q is, quotient is 2, remainder is 1 and denominator is 5. Coming to the next one, question 17 upon 7. Very simple. 17 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. What is left? 3 is left, right? So here, according to Q R upon D, we can write here 2 whole 3 upon 7. Why I have written 3 here? Because it is remainder. Q R upon D, na? Okay, so 2 is whole. We can write quotient here. Now coming to the next question, that is express the following as improper fraction. Same thing, but हमको यहाँ पर उल्टा करना है. Okay, what we have to do? We will be doing multiplication of these two numbers and we'll be adding this number to the next. Fine. So here what we have to do? 7 multiplied by 4 plus 3 upon 4. 7 4s are 28, 28, 31, 31 upon 4. So this is the answer. Here 2 multiplied by 6 plus 5 upon 6. Beta denominator will remain same. 2 6 are 12 plus 5 17 upon 6. Thank you so much for watching.